Do you want to know what a skinwalker can look like and sound like? Let's go. Or remember when I said like skinwalkers are like shapeshifters, they can shapeshift into animals, into injured animals, into like people, to imitate people, to make sounds, to lure people in. Watch this. Look at this, see how it's got a horse's body but a flipping dog's head? What the hell? Look at the way it opens his mouth, look. It's a dog's head. But by the looks of that, it tried to transform and it got mixed up with what it wanted to be. Now listen to these screams. Before we go further, drop me a follow if you already haven't followed me, because I'm going to do more of these. So this guy was in the woods, you know, looking for different types of mushrooms. Watch this. Watch.
And there's one over here. Looks like it's holding some water. I think it's time to go.
Guaranteed, I would have shipped my knickers there and then. Now listen to...
What happens is this creature comes up against this fence and it jumps this fence. And it was standing, we think, right in this where I'm standing right now. My friend's inside right now. I'm getting this footage. And did you just fucking hear that? That was fucking it.
Now look at this weird video.
Skinwalker caught shapeshifting. Watch till the end.
I don't know about you, but if I'm anywhere and I hear them kind of screams, if I see any weird shit, if I see a grown-ass human being get on all fours and start walking towards me, two things are going to happen. He's going to get fucking drop-kicked, or I'm leaving the fucking planet. Like, absolutely not. Let me know what you think in the comments, and yeah, don't forget to share this video and drop me a follow for more. Let's go.